Why do we throw away things that still work? Why does fixing a phone cost more than replacing it? Why are so many products designed to fail? It's not a flaw, it's a feature of a linear system. But in a circular economy, the future is modular and repairable. Modularity means designing products as systems made of interchangeable parts. Think Lego, but for everything. Repairability means those parts can be replaced, upgraded, or fixed without waste. Together, these two ideas change everything. Let's start with modularity. In a modular design, every component has a function and a future. A modular smartphone lets you replace the battery, not the whole device. A modular shoe lets you switch out a worn sole instead of tossing the whole pair. A modular building lets you take it apart, move it, and rebuild it somewhere else. It's not just smart, it's circular. Why does this matter? Because repairability is the gateway to longevity. When something breaks, you fix it. When something wears out, you replace just that part. No glue, no proprietary screws, no sealed boxes. Just tools and access and intention. Let's look at the benefits. First, reduce waste. Most e-waste isn't because the tech is broken. It's because one tiny part failed and can't be replaced. Modular, repairable design keeps products in use longer. That reduces demand for raw materials and landfill space. Second, lower costs. It's cheaper to fix one part than to buy a new product, especially when repair guides, spare parts, and kits are available. Third, job creation. Repair ecosystems create local jobs: technicians, part suppliers, service networks. This is circular employment. Fourth, empowerment. People feel more connected to things they can open, fix, and understand. It builds ownership, confidence, community. Let's talk examples. Fairphone is leading the way. They make smartphones you can take apart with a single tool. Screens, batteries, cameras, all modular, all replaceable. IKEA now designs many products with standard fasteners and replaceable parts. They even provide repair guides for their furniture. Framework makes laptops that let you upgrade RAM, swap ports, and fix screens easily. They're built to evolve, not expire. Even Apple, long criticized for unrepairable products, is making shifts. The latest iPhones are more modular. Battery swaps are simpler, parts are labeled. That's circular pressure in action. But there are barriers. Some companies design for obsolescence on purpose. Some make repairs nearly impossible without proprietary tools. Others void warranties if you open the product. That's where right-to-repair laws come in. They demand access to tools, parts, and manuals. They protect consumers and the planet. Here's the big idea. If we want a circular future, we need to build for maintenance, not disposal. We need to make repair as normal as replacement. Because modularity is more than a feature. It's a mindset. It says, this product is part of a system. It's made to be fixed, not trashed. It's designed to last. In a world of planned obsolescence, repair is a radical act. But in a circular economy, it's just common sense. This is modularity and repairability. This is how we design for the future, one part at a time.